Hey guys, how's it going? How to send great first message on elite singles. So first of all, personalize your message. Reference something specific from their profile, interests, hobbies, or photos to show you've taken the time to read it. Ask an open-ended question. Encourage a response by asking a question that requires more than a yes or a no answer, such as what's your favorite travel destination and why. And be genuine. Keep your tone warm and authentic. Sincere compliment or comment can make your message stand out. Keep it brief. Aim for a clear and concise message. Avoid overwhelming them with too much information at once. Use humor if appropriate. A light-hearted joke or playful comment can break the ice, but ensure it fits the context or of their profile. For example, hi, the name of that person. And I noticed you love hiking. What's the best trail you've ever explored? I'm always looking for new adventures. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.